Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a question that a lot of you have asked. Can you actually invest on TradingView? The short and direct answer is no, you cannot invest directly on TradingView. TradingView is a charting and analysis platform. Think of it as your ultimate research and visualization tool, not your brokerage account. It's where you go to analyze market data, use advanced charting tools, and connect with a massive community of traders. So, how does it all work? Well, TradingView integrates with many different brokers. This is the key. You use TradingView to do all your analysis and find trade ideas. Once you're ready to make a move, you can place the trade directly through TradingView's platform, but the order is actually executed by a separate, connected brokerage. The funds for your trades, your positions, and your account history all live with your broker, not on TradingView. TradingView is essentially the powerful front-end interface, while your broker is the back-end that handles all the real money transactions. The process is straightforward. First, you need an account with a broker that is supported by TradingView. There's a long list of them, including many of the biggest names in the industry. Once your brokerage account is set up and funded, you connect it to your TradingView account through this trading panel at the bottom of the chart. This setup gives you the best of both worlds. You get to use TradingView's superior charting, indicators, and social features, all while placing your trades with a trusted and regulated broker. So, don't think of TradingView as a place to deposit your money and invest. Instead, see it as the most powerful and intuitive tool you can use to inform your investment decisions, with the ability to execute those decisions through a seamless connection to your existing brokerage account.